Allow me to show you something.
Hey everyone, welcome back. For today's video, I'm going to do an installation on my mother's head. She wanted to use the Kima Ocean Wave and have it cut into a bob, long in the front, but she wanted to make sure she definitely had the layers in the back. I'm going to use two colors, a color 1B and a color 30 for that install. I am going to show you a clip of the hair in its natural form.
Only think about you and
I'm also going to show you for the back half of her head, I'm going to show you how I cut that hair into 3 different sections. And I believe the Kima Ocean Wave comes in like a 20-inch, maybe like a 10 or a 12 or something like that. But just due to the fact that I can get so much more hair out of the 20-inch, I went ahead and used that hair first, cut it into the 3 inches. As I move forward towards the front of her hair for the install, I did keep some of the front pieces in that front section the full 20 inches so that the bob would still be long enough for me to cut it to whatever length. I'm gonna go ahead and get started with the installation.
Thinking about you isn't helping. Thinking about you doesn't tell me what good it would do if I decide to face the truth.
Okay, you guys, on this section, I did want you to see the actual process to do the installation. The knots for your crochet hair are everything. So I wanted to slow this video down a little bit so that you can get an understanding of how I do my knots. If you see I have that loop in my right hand now, and I have the other part of the crochet hair on my left, I'm going to feed it through that loop, pull the crochet hair with my right hand, the loop with my left, and I'm using my middle finger to keep pulling that hair through the loop, and I'm using my right hand to pull the hair out of the loop. I'll do it about 2 times, and you see I still have the loop in between my pointer and my thumb finger of my left hand, and I let it go to secure it. Hopefully that makes sense. I'm gonna do it one more time so that you guys can try to understand what I'm trying to explain to you. Latch it on, pull it, and always pull it through the braid, never under. There's my loop. I'm gonna take it with my right hand, crochet hair is in my left, and I'm gonna feed it through that loop, pull it with my right hand, pull the loop with my left. I'm gonna feed that hair back through that loop again, but I'm gonna pull it back out with my right hand, feed it through the loop again, pull it out with my right hand, and this whole time I am still twisting that loop with my left hand while I'm doing this. Then I slide it down and secure the knot. This method is so much easier when it comes to, especially with the slippery hair, that it takes a lot to secure the knots. Like I said, the knots are everything. You may have to do this process, 3 to 4 times. With this type of hair, the texture is more kinky and natural, so I only had to do it 2 times. Never once, because I definitely want to make sure that my knots are secure, but this is definitely a better method that I use when I'm trying to secure my knots, and I rarely have any slippage. I'm going to show you the finished look so you can just see what the hair looks like overall.
Yeah, we could have been. I don't know.
If you guys have any questions about the installation process or anything else about any videos that I've posted in general, just go ahead and leave me a comment, and I will try to get back to you as soon as possible. Just be mindful that I do work full-time. I do hair on the side. I also have kids, and I am a student, so I do get busy, and I do try to respond to you guys as fast as possible, but just be patient with me. If you are wondering, this is also a crochet hairstyle that I have in my head now. This is a free tress, the Yaki Bounce, which I've used this hair in a different video where I cut my hair into a bob. It's the exact same hair, the Yaki Bounce. I only used 2 full packs, and there's 3 bundles in each pack. It's a color 1B30, and I originally put it in because I wanted to achieve a look of a picture I saw on Instagram, and it's a bob hairstyle. But every time I put this hair in and I say I'm gonna cut it into a bob, I end up leaving it straight for a couple of days before I actually cut it, just because I love the texture and the feel of this hair, and it actually feels like it is my real hair. And I've gotten so many compliments on it, but I did not do a video on this hair because I already have one. I just use a different color. But if you guys have any questions about the hairstyle I'm going to show on my mother or this hairstyle, you can leave a comment on this video. I'll also include the link to the previous video if you have questions about the install or the process, I guess, of putting this hair in. Anything at all, I'm always open to your questions, and again, I will get back to you guys as soon as I can. But don't forget to like the video, and don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you guys